In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contact list in ActiveCampaign. If you're looking to manage your contacts more effectively, exporting your contact list is a crucial step. Whether you need to back up your data, analyze it in a spreadsheet, or import it to another service, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and easily. To get started, let's turn our attention to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find various options to manage your campaigns. But today, our focus is on your contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts in this left panel. This action will take you to the area where all your contacts are stored and managed. Now that you're in the Contacts section, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a three dots icon. This icon can be likened to a menu button, offering additional options that aren't immediately visible. Click on this three dots icon. It's a small detail that sometimes goes unnoticed, but it's the key to accessing the export feature. Once you've clicked the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll find one labeled Export. Selecting this will initiate the process of exporting your contact list. It's at this point that you'll set the parameters for your export. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your export. This step is important, as it helps in organizing your files and ensuring that you can find this particular export easily later on. After naming it, you'll need to choose which fields you wish to include in the export. Depending on your needs, this might include names, email addresses, phone numbers, tags, or any custom fields you've created. Carefully selecting these fields will ensure your exported data serves its intended purpose. With these preferences set, you're almost ready to complete the export. The final step is to click the Export button. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Once clicked, the system will process your export. Depending on the size of your contact list, this might take a moment. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your contact list from ActiveCampaign. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time and keep your data organized. Keeping a regular backup of your contacts is a smart way to safeguard your information and make transitions between different platforms seamless. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to keep this guide handy the next time you want to export your contacts, and feel free to explore other features ActiveCampaign offers to enhance your email marketing efforts. Until next time, happy campaigning!